Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update after a very long time. Right, so I was outside. I was having some holidays, and holidays are over. We're back. We're back into the game. So the last time that I did made a SLP video, I told you and I talked about how you are going back to retest potentially the golden ratio to get rejected, and this was a technical target that was never met. But I do think right now it's time for the technical target to be met, and you might find a little bit of a breathe from the 96 97 region and go a little bit to the upside as well. So I don't think it's going to keep going down to the downside. But keep in mind, in the previous videos I did tell you that 87 is a very, very big level. I'm going to repeat this. The number 87 is a very big level, and you have to keep attention on that number 87, because once you start to lose the 87 and go to the downside and backtest and fail, that's it. I do think there's a really, really good chance, and there's a really good, it's a very undeniable and a very clear statement that not Bitcoin, SLP, stupid SLP is actually interested to go to the downside. Damn, why am I getting so excited though? I don't know. It's not a good thing that it's going down, or maybe I'm just getting nervous. So you see, this is not a good idea. The biggest question I still have, the bear flag is playing out perfectly. The bear flag is playing out perfectly. And I just want to know this. Can you just come down here, make the first bottom and the second bottom amazing? Really amazing. But by the looks of things, before you go to the downside, right, there is a little bit of relief that I do expect, because you start the week. Monday has started. Today's Monday. And Monday make a false move, so you might see SLP doing its thing to the 95 or the 96, because that's where the technical target do lie. Or let's just say you've already nearly met the technical target. What difference does it make? It's 100 or 97? Okay, maybe if you're a billionaire it does. But the thing is that that's the only place I see SLP taking a break, and people might be so bearish they're going to start to short SLP. But 3 days in the previous videos I've been talking about in the channel are the best days for trading, and that is the TWT, and that is Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So you see, Mondays make false move to the downside. So this move, even if it plays out to the downside, to me, based on history, of course, nothing I'm saying is gonna be for you to take it as financial advice, but just an opinion. And what I've observed in the previous history is that when SLP or Bitcoin, actually, because everything is following Bitcoin, so Bitcoin does make a false move Monday, and then Tuesday, boom, take a little bit of a break. Wednesday go up, and Thursday go up, and then from there, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you start to look the reverses to the downside. The only thing that I don't want to see for SLP is that it comes down and lose the 87 and go to the downside. That will be a huge indicator that not only SLP, now people are going to say, oh no, it's SLP and this and that. All right, let's say we didn't have a very good performance. Even I'm going to be a little bit like, what the hell, SLP? What the hell are you trying to do? But everything is down, okay? Every single coin is down. Talk about the good projects, talk about Matic, talk about what do you call this one, talk about Solana, talk about even GMT is going down, so it is what it is. It is how the market is playing out, and it's gonna keep playing out like this. So I'm just gonna leave you with this one. The technical target to the 97, whatever you do, you just don't want to lose 87, and lose 87, backtest and fail the 87. Game over. I'm telling you this, because that's the only support that you have. You lose that support, I think 50 is the next technical target. We're going to talk about that one hopefully in tomorrow's video as well, where we're going to go down if you lose the level. Until now, you're not losing it. It's okay. And I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.